Yeah, I mean, I kind of knew that it would be very, very tough for us to win if I didn't win that match. So it was very tough conditions. I was playing without probably my biggest weapon, my serve. I wasn't getting any free points. I was kind of just almost just winning. I had to find a way to win ugly and adjust, not play, find a way to win. That's what I had to do today.
Talk about the match before how Randy battled. I understand some people were kind of shocked at how well he played.
Yeah, Randy, I'm never shocked at Randy. I know how good Randy is, and I know that Randy's going to bring it tomorrow as well, and I will as well. These guys aren't easy. It's going to be a tough battle tomorrow. And Randy played well, and we have to win tomorrow.
I think I played a good match. It was really tough to play with the wind, so I think I compete really well, and it was a really close match. With these conditions, anything can happen. And on Aguilar's match, of course, it was a really good tennis match. It was really close. He had some match points. Both of them played really good, and tennis, only one can win, so this can happen. And tomorrow we have at least 3 more points to play.
I mean, it's a good match. Obviously, the guy's a good player. It's always going to be tough. I thought I did all of the things that we had worked on and, sort of implemented our strategy pretty well. So, I had my opportunities, but, that's tennis. It's sports in general, right? You have to have a winner, you have to have a loser. He came out a little bit stronger than me today, but I know he definitely respected the battle.
Yeah, a lot of people were saying that this guy looked shocked at how well you were playing.
Yeah, hopefully. But I hope they expect that I'm tough and that, we're going to come back even stronger tomorrow.